Hello and welcome to Chem 1A. My name is Jody Kawagoa and I'll be your instructor this semester. I just want to give you a very quick tour of our Canvas page to help you get started. So this is the home page. You'll see it shows some to-do things over here. What I'd like you to focus on is this part in the middle. Check out the syllabus, it says, so we'll click that. That's going to take us to over here, the syllabus page, course syllabus, but there's no syllabus here. Where is the syllabus? Well, it's on the simple syllabus page. There was no way to link to that, so that's why I did it like this. So if we go to simple syllabus, this is going to give us all the course information. There's a whole bunch of information in there. It's a lot to page through, but you can use this, if you click on the grid here, it's going to give you a map. And so let's say you want to know when the final exam is. We can click on final exam date and it'll jump us directly there. So go ahead and read that. There will be a quiz. I just haven't quite written it yet. So back to the home page. And here's our Student Support Hub. Lots of helpful links here. I encourage you to check that out. And then here we've got in yellow, Get Started Here. This link will take you to the course modules. You want to start at the beginning with Start Here. Welcome. This welcome video is going to be linked in here, but it's not because I haven't finished recording it yet. So there's a full version of this welcome letter, and then there's this really condensed version. Read the page, click the Mark as Done button near the top, click the Next button near the bottom, repeat. And really that's basically what we're going to be doing as we go through the course. So I'm going to Mark as Done up here. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to pretend that I read all of that good stuff. And then I'm going to click the Next button. And so that's how I want you to navigate through the course. There are, of course, on the home page, we've got these to-do things coming up. And so, it can be real tempting to just click on one of those and go over there. And you can do that, but I'd encourage you to go step by step through the module pages as instructed. So that should be enough to get you started. Forgot something. I'm going to talk about myself a little bit. So that's me. My name, my office is on Zoom because COVID. My hours, you want to click on the Confer Zoom. So Confer Zoom button, it's not going to work here in my test student thing. But if you click on that, that'll take you to Confer Zoom. And all of the scheduled office hours, I'm going to call them student hours since I don't have an office right now. All the scheduled student hours will be listed there, and you can just click on them and go to the student hours. Here's my cell phone number. You are welcome to text me anytime, day or night. Sometimes I answer questions at 3 a.m. But please do not call me. If you want to email me, please do that through the Canvas messaging system. So that's over here on the inbox. My campus email has so much stuff in it that your emails are going to get lost. So if we do it through Canvas, they're all in one place and I'm going to see them. Okay, well, that's enough to get started. Welcome and happy first day of class.